Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tupperware I Stay at Home series. Love cooking, love eating, but hate to prep it? True. That's why Tupperware is here for you to have more time living. I'd like to introduce to you to my kitchen warrior, the Speedy Chopper. The Speedy Chopper is a small but powerful tool. It allows you to chop, mince, slice different food ingredients. What's nice with the Speedy Chopper, it's very handy. It comes with the 3 cutting blades for precision, faster, and consistent cutting. It also comes with a cover with a pull cord attachment, which is ergonomically designed to fit left or right-handed. So what I have here is mangoes. This is how I usually prepare food for my baby. So I'm just going to lock it in, pull the cord, until it becomes puree. Did you know that in 15 seconds of cutting is already equivalent to 288 knife strokes? So this is how the Speedy Chopper is very efficient. On the other hand, we will be chopping walnuts. As you all know, walnuts is a hard ingredient. So if you can chop walnuts, you can already chop ginger, carrots, onions, and garlic. Yeah, pull the cord again. Ayan. What's nice with the Speedy Chopper is you can actually control how you want to chop it. Pwedeng slice lang, pwedeng mince, or pwedeng ordinary chopping lang, ordinary slicing lang. So ayan, we're done. So the Speedy Chopper is really a must-have for every kitchen, for less prepping time but more family time. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next series.